I have always had a keen eye for beauty, a flair for creativity, and a long-standing passion for beautifully designed spaces. This is what initially led me down the path of interior design. I started my journey by co-founding Design Options, a pioneer furniture manufacturing and interior design company. And over the next 25 years, that company and its vision grew to tremendous heights. In 2012, we rebranded and birthed what you all know and identify today as DO.II Designs. Situated on the high street of Victoria Island in Lagos, you will experience 4 spacious floors of over 1,300 square meters filled with delightful furniture and accessories of unique design. That is DO.II, the only one-stop shop for all your interior needs and the first of its kind in Lagos. At DO.II Designs, our focus on interior design and beautifully manufactured furniture drives the company's mission of transforming lives by beautifying the spaces in which people can live and work better, while supporting and promoting the Made in Nigeria vision. We have always placed great value on ethics, integrity, and caring, and this is backed by a strong culture and a great passion for creativity. Our clients' imagination is at the core of our design concepts, and our greatest joy is in transforming that imagination to reality. Now, as CEO of DO.II Designs, and with the help of my amazing and dedicated team, our vision continues to grow, and part of our long-term goal is dominance of the Nigerian interior design and furniture manufacturing space. The company's 10-year expansion plan includes, but isn't limited to, the opening of our ultra-modern factory and outlet, creating more job opportunities, establishing a network of DO.II franchises, and expansion beyond the Nigerian shores. A key factor in our expansion plans remains affordability. We must remain approachable. As it stands, DO.II Designs is the only Nigerian-owned interior design and furniture manufacturing company offering luxury services and furniture at affordable prices. In the next few months, starting with our big Black Friday sale this November, which has become a very successful annual shopping event, you'll be hearing a lot more from us as we are currently working on positioning DO.II as the best, most affordable design and furniture company in Nigeria. In order to keep evolving in this industry, our transformed scope is to develop a robust retail network and franchises in major cities in Nigeria and West Africa. As business models are transitioning from traditional methods and technology is reshaping the global economy, the introduction of our Ikora brand will capture the millennial market through more modern concepts and designs and an increased use of online sales and marketing. The aim of the Ikora brand is to continuously advance, incorporating new designs, using new technologies and new ideas, leaving very little room for the competition in this sector. Housing starts are a powerful economic driver all over the world. In this sub-region, the enormous housing deficit represents a huge untapped market, perfect for DO.II. With our value chain optimization and a strong network of industry collaborations, we are positioning to take full advantage of this opportunity. The aim is to transform into a company that is not solely dependent on one location and in-store customer relations. Clients will be able to purchase their furniture online and have it delivered direct to their selected locations or to a franchise store of their choice closest to that location. These franchise stores will handle the logistics and provide skilled installers to set up their furniture with ease. Our strategy is to scale from a single location business to a globally recognized multinational brand rooted in West Africa. Our transformation consists of the implementation of more efficient methods of operation and well-thought-out strategies which will allow for the expansion of the company through franchises. To enable this shift, we will leverage our expansion on a large variety of products and services using creativity, technical expertise, product refinement, and mass production. With this, we hope to build a robust distribution network and cultivate strong customer relationships through various engagement platforms. In order to maintain our market leadership and customer loyalty, we plan to put in place and effectively implement a strong corporate governance structure, establish initiatives that support the local communities, provide job opportunities across the regions in which we operate by recruiting locally and further developing strong teams with full capabilities to execute our goals. I look forward to the start of this transformation journey, which began with the opening of our flagship store at 642D Adesola Street, Victoria Island, Lagos. My name is Ifeyinwa Ighodalo, and I'm the founder of DO.II Designs.